we're done with the 5 layers of ceramic coating on this Audi, so let me show you what it looks like while we're outside. Look at this paint. It is freaking glossy. You can see the metallic flakes just popping. We've also Clearbra the entire car as well, so anywhere that's blue has been Clearbra, even the mirrors here. We're now gonna do the water beading test.
Test number 1 of a coat action. Get to my hand. You ready? Get to my hand.
Yep,
Get to my hand.
Yep, got it.
Get to my...
Yep. Whoa.
It is on my shoes now.
So that's what we're looking for, guys. Perfect little
The
circular.
hydrophobicity properly. The water beads into little beads. No spreading. It will run in channel. Oh, my shoe got wet again.
Beading wire sliding down just like that. And that's perfect. That's exactly what we're looking for. Look at that. Perfect little water droplet just like that. That way we know it's hydrophobic. So imagine having a ceramic coating on your car and you're going 60, 70 miles an hour and it's raining. Imagine how much of the water will sheet off once you're done. So this is why your car can stay cleaner a lot longer and a lot easier,